Good day. We are at the Nobre Hall of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Cooperation, where a significant diplomatic event is underway. Under the theme, Bridging Futures, Strengthening Malaysia-Timor-Leste Partnerships for an Empowered ASEAN Integration. This public talk aims to foster deeper regional collaboration. The keynote speaker is the Honorable Senator Datuk Nur Jaslan bin Tan Sri Mohammed, Deputy President of the Senate of Malaysia. The session was formally opened with remarks from Her Excellency Milena Rangel, the Vice Minister of ASEAN Affairs of Timor-Leste, who also moderated the Q&A session following the talk.
Today, Timor-Leste is a much more calm place. It's a much more peaceful place, which is very good, Milena, to give confidence to investors that Timor-Leste is ready to be an investment destination, and that people are ready to be invested in the economic development of Timor-Leste. That's why I'm here today as a representative of the Malaysian Parliament. In addition to the ongoing work that has already been done by the executives, by various organizations of the two countries, together with ASEAN, I'm here today to establish close relationship with the Timor-Leste Parliament. The Timor-Leste Parliament is well known for its, coalition governments, how we can work together, artificial intelligence. The world will move even faster. I will be a senior citizen next year, 60 years old, but I've never seen the world move as fast as it has today. So for the younger generation, I wish you good luck, and you have to basically scale up, improve yourselves, and at least equip yourself to be ready for a future that's going to be very, very quick.
Today's discussion highlights strategic cooperation between Malaysia and Timor-Leste as the youngest member of ASEAN, placing a strong focus on regional inclusivity, economic development, and political dialogue. With high-level participation and shared commitment, this event signals Timor-Leste's growing engagement in ASEAN affairs and its vision for a united and empowered Southeast Asia. From the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Cooperation, I'm Digna Serão, together with Argentina Cardozo for TATOLI.